In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Samsung. You need to start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and choose Advanced Features. After that, click on One-handed Mode and click on this switcher at the top in order to activate it. Then scroll down and tap on the best option to reduce display size with gesture or a button. I will go with button. Now follow all of those instructions below it. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to rescale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. Then when you see the perfect size, let go. You can also change placement of it by tapping on this icon on one of its sides, or holding this line at the top and dragging it. If you wish to go back, click on the blurry area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!